And today we see this skin. This skin looks pretty good, guys. So let's go to item shop and check it out. So these are available right now. It's not that pricey, not really. It looks different when it look kind of different. It does look kind of different than what we just saw. Even the colors look different. I wonder why. Let's take a quick look at it. Oh, there we go. That makes more sense. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think it looks okay. Pretty robotic type of thing going on here. Gotta say, this darker style, not in love with it. The blue-ish type of thing going on. I like more of the white that comes up with it. Yeah, this one. So the white, I think, looks better. I don't know. You guys tell me. Which one do you guys prefer? Would you guys buy this? Who would like this as a giveaway? That's a big question. Because I'm still looking at what giveaways I should do. And this is one of the skins that I think would be good to do a giveaway on. But there's other skins. I mean, there's this one that has been on before. There's the Rio Grande. So let's take a look at this one. So there's this skin. It's been on from before, right? So no big deal. Let's just go back on that. There's emotes and other stuff. There's this thing. It's pretty cool. For a glider, that's pretty neat. It doesn't look that great, yes, but it's kind of funny, so yeah. And then we got, praise a tomato, which is weird. And then we got pizza party. Well, a lot of people have this because, hey, who wouldn't like this as an emote? And then we got bulleye. That has been on from before, right? Anyways, these are the things that are on, but you guys tell me. Or which one would you guys like to be the giveaway? Could be any, really. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys like the skin, let me know. Or let me know what other ones you would think would be better to buy as a gift. Or, yeah, that would be it. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.